Welcome to our new video. K-Pop Idol of the Year award in the Global Nubia Awards is one of the important awards that are noticed by the public. Last night, Nubia magazine announced the top 10 K-Pop idols of the year and the winners of the awards. The list of nominees for this award includes the best and most outstanding K-pop male idol of the popular K-pop groups who got many attentions from audience. The winner of the awards is also the K-pop male idol who got the most number of the votes from fans around the world. Let's have a look on the King of K-pop 2021 awards. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. The first name in the top 10 is EXO's Baekhyun. Baekhyun has had many solo activities with great achievements. Until now, Baekhyun has still proved his charms and talent when receiving much support from the public. One of the outstanding male K-pop idol faces is Astro's Cha Eun-woo. He ranks 9th on the chart. Over the past year, Eun-woo has achieved many successes in the field of film as well as music and has attracted the attention and support of public not only at home but also from abroad. The person who just won World's Best Dancer Male King of Dance award is also candidate of Top 10 Male K-pop Idol of the Year award. J-Hope is recognized for his dancing talent as well as for his and BTS contributes to the K-pop industry influence around the world. One of the most popular solo idol now is Jackson. Since GOT7 did not renew his contract with JYP, Jackson has had very dynamic solo activities proving his talent. Jackson is also very successful as a coach of many idol casting programs and demonstrates his experience as a famous idol. In Top 10 K-Pop Idol of the Year award, Jimin holds 6th place with his dancing talent, angelic voice and handsome face creating global sensation. In the past year, Jimin and BTS has achieved great success and it marks a significant influence of BTS in general and Jimin in particular in the entertainment industry. King of Seoul or BTS Golden McKnight Jungkook holds the 5th place in the chart. Jungkook's influence and popularity is undisputed and he holds many undefeated records in the media. Jungkook impresses with his genius vocal ability and amazing beauty. One of the most prominent male idols in K-pop, it is impossible not to mention Sehun. Sehun impresses with his talented choreography and dance moves that focuses on emotions. Sehun is also one of the most influential idols in the fashion industry. Suga ranked 3rd in the ranking during the past year. In addition to promotional activities with BTS, Suga is also a very hard-working producer with a series of famous songs. Not only that, the resonance from Suga's mixtape D2 also makes Suga's name stand out in the male idol lineup. The past year can be said to be a successful year for Taemin with solo activities that have great influence and were well received by public. Taemin is also the hardest working member of the second generation idols. Along with SHINee's comeback on the music scene, it is not hard to see Taemin's influence ranked 2 in the list by Nubia. BTS V was declared winner of the K-Pop Idol of the Year award King of K-Pop in the Global Nubia Awards 2021 event. Nubia magazine declared that the popular South Korean singer and songwriter, the member of the famous music group BTS, was voted by K-pop fans around the globe as the winner in this special category meant to recognize and celebrate the most outstanding and most influential male K-pop idol for the year. Taehyung received votes from a total 103 countries worldwide with votes coming from different parts of the world. Nubia magazine has contacted Big Hit Music for the delivery of the award trophy. Although RM and Jin did not appear in the top 10 male K-pop idol of the year award, they both received a lot of public support and recognition. Hopefully in the coming years, all 7 BTS members will be in the top 10 of this awards. Thank you so very much for watching this video.